This 1976 Monogram catalog is hiding some seriously forgotten model kits, and a few of them are way more collectible than you might think. Let's crack it open. This is Tom Daniels' daily driver, a 1970 Corvette called the California Street Vet. Tom Daniels on the making of Cop Out. We had developed a cutting-edge funny car chassis for the 57 Chevy kit Outcast. And the powers that be at Monogram wanted to utilize that chassis under some other kind of car body. I thought that was a kind of a cop-out, and I wasn't too thrilled about using the Plymouth Duster body, so Cop Out it became. Tom Daniels on the making of Farce. Sylvester developed the mechanism for this kit, and I did the surface design and came up with the shadow base and wire perch that allowed the Farce bird to wildly bounce up and down and all around. It really worked out great. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out the famous Don Emmons, who shows us his models on display at the International Model Car Builders Museum.